1, 2, 3.
What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be putting my back wheel back on. I still ain't found a new wheel for it, so we're just going to run it, put some air in it, probably some fix and flat. I don't know why it won't stay aired up, but hopefully we can get it back going. A friend of mine, he just got him a mini ATV with a Predator on it. Might have to make some videos of me and him riding together. Probably be racing. Thinks his is faster than mine, but I don't believe it. Back on and put everything back together and get it going again. So I'll get with y'all in a minute. that's it for putting the bike back together. I was having some troubles. I had the spacers on backwards, or flipped around, however you want to call it. And then the top of the brake caliper was rubbing against the tire. So that's how I knew it was wrong. And then I had to take it off again because the bottom of the chain was up here. I didn't run it through past that bolt. So I had to take it off again, put it on, and then I got it back together, so it's good. Still need to find me a chain tensioner. A friend of mine at work got a old skateboard, and I might use the wheel and just cut a little groove in it like this one got, and hopefully it'll roll through. I'm probably gonna have to modify the little bracket right here. I was thinking about putting one here, but I'd have to have like an arm on it to like hold it up here. I don't know. Yeah, I seen some of them on Amazon. I might get them. But I also got me a little straight pipe I found at work. An old, I think it's a generator muffler, but hopefully the flange is the same so I can put it on. And I don't know if I said this. I ain't gonna better get it off. But one of my, yeah, see right there, look. One of my toots broke. So I don't know if it's gonna work or does it affect anything. But also I need to find a rear sprocket so I can go a little bit faster. This one is way too big, and I think also since the tire is bald like that, that the bottom of the chain, like down there, see how it's almost touching the ground? I think that's why my chain falls off. For the right chain tensioner on the bike, or I do have the right one on. It's just it's not tightening it up enough, and I don't want to drill any more mount holes for the engine mount. But yeah, I don't know if, oh yeah, I made my own little spring. I don't know if you see it. A little spring, hold the governor. Guess this one ain't on no more. And then this one runs all the way up to the front. And I did that myself. I just found that spring off of, I think it's some old pliers. Something, I mean, it works. So yeah, that's about it. I might give it a crank. I ain't cranked in about 2 or 3 weeks, but I'll show y'all.